Yeah, she's fucked, bud.
Okay, so today's the day. I didn't really film it, but we cranked it up, and it sounds like it has a nasty rod knock, but almost not a rod knock. It almost sounds like a ring set let go, something along the lines. I don't know. Chris, what do you say?
I honestly have no clue.
It sounds nasty, though.
Yeah, no, it does not sound good.
James, what do you think about it?
It sounds like rod knock on steroids.
It hits harder than my father.
That's gonna be Chris's new profile pic. Get a picture of him. Okay, so this is how far we got. Harness is completely off for the most part. We just got this vacuum block on. You got the rear motor mount on. It's somewhere back down. Yeah, you see it right there. That rear motor mount. And we're gonna try to separate the motor from the trans without taking the trans out. Might have to loosen some of the mounts, but we're going to try to get that motor mount out, and that's already loosened. That's all good. And the rear mount out, so I'm not going to worry about popping the axles or anything like that. I'm just going to try to separate the fucking motor from the trans. Hopefully it works that way. So here we go. All right, so what's going on, guys? It's day 2 of working on the EG hatch. I can't really call it a sleeper, I guess, right now, but EG turbo hatch project, I guess we'll call it. I got most of the stuff disconnected besides the fuel line that leads over there. Just pulled out the driver's side axle. Still have to get the shift linkage off down here, and have to do the second side now. But that's what I got done today. I haven't really taken anything apart besides that. Yeah. So we're making progress. This thing should be a fun ripper for the summer. Holy shit, it's getting cold. Got the motor out, and it's fucking storming. What the fuck you guys think about this shit?
How did you get this to thread in? It's fucking cross-threading.
It's cross-threading?
Or it's just not threading in.
Are you threading in the right hole?
Seems like it.
Try that. Alright, let's get this trans out of here. Alright, so update. It started pouring. We got the motor in the garage. We're about to tear into this thing and see what let go. Chris, what do you think let go?
Main bearing.
Main bearing? What do you think let go?
Maybe a rod cap.
Rod cap?
Or something. Rod knock was real bad.
What do you think let go?
Probably a little more something than a rod. It's too slow.
Yeah.
Too slow. Like me, too slow.
Very slow.
Alright. Well, we'll keep tearing into it and see what happens. Alright, so we just got all the bolts out of the oil pan. I don't think it's going to look pretty based on how the drain plug was because it's magnetic, but we'll find out in a second here.
Yeah, she's fucked, bud.
Yo, look at that sparkle.
Dude, it'll be fun to play with the magnet.
Look at that sparkle.
Wow.
It's a lot of bearing.
Yeah,
It's a lot of bearing, dude.
Wow.
That's why it sounded so bad. Holy shit.
Wow. Look at that. Which one do you think it's from? Taking guesses?
man.
Hold on, move the pan. Let's see.
Once we get
that
this
one looks
fucking,
good. That one looks good.
what do you even call this fucking... I don't know if... Oh, there we go.
Dude, it looks like... Oh my
Look at
god.
how...
Like, dude, that's bearing material.
Bearing be gone,
That's
dude.
what happens
Holy
when you make
shit.
500 on pump.
Alright, where's the bag?
The bag is in his hand. That's all of them? Okay, now we're gonna need like a dead blow or something probably to get that the fuck off of there.
Wow.
Dude, I got so much metal in my hands.
Yeah, it's uncomfy. Don't touch your hands.
Alright, let's see it. Wiggle that one. Yeah, that's no bueno. It's no
None
bueno.
of these are very buoyant. Oh, this one what?
Left and right. That's from the rings. You know, you can see the piston moving, but
Yeah.
like back and forth play like that one. So what's that cylinder?
This one's got side to side. That's
Yeah,
it. But this,
right,
This
that's-
is obviously cylinder number 4 got tired.
Yeah, I knew. I had a feeling it was cylinder 4. Yeah, that's where the knock is
Yeah.
coming from. There's probably no bearing left in there.
Based
Oh,
off
look
the
at
oil,
that!
man.
Oh, look at the heat spot on it.
Yeah.
Wow. The rest
Dude,
of them have
people
that.
pay a
No,
lot
that
of money
one's
to get
good.
full color like
That one's good. That one looks
Typically
decent.
on exhaust,
It's really
but-
just that one. That's the one that was getting heated.
How long do these bolts? I think you.
I saw it.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, keep going. There it is.
Yeah.
Where's the bearing?
There is none. I was saying there's so much shit in the pan, dude.
There's literally no bearing.
Ooh, it's rough.
Yeah.
It's really rough.
Look at that freaking crank, dude.
No, dude, that's what the oil stabilizer's for.
Holy crap,
Racing stripes.
dude. Jeez.
A little scratchy.
A little bit?
I can buff it out.
Oh, you think that feels bad? Touch this. That's bad.
Nah, not that bad. Sorry, that.